This metal surface may look solid, but beneath this layer of oil and grease lies a serious maintenance challenge. Over time, heavy lubricants, rolling oils, and industrial residues build up, forming stubborn stains that are difficult to remove with ordinary cleaners. This is where EcoTreat 402-10X makes the difference, with the help of Liberty Foamer machine. Formulated as a neutral, high-performance foam degreaser, EcoTreat 402-10X is designed to attack grease and oil on metal surfaces used in cold rolling mill environments. Notice how the foam clings tightly to the stained metal instead of flowing away. This strong adhesion ensures longer contact time, exactly what's needed to break down heavy contamination. As the foam works, it penetrates deep into oil layers and grease pockets, loosening deposits that have settled over long operating hours. The grease starts to lift, separate, and release from the metal surface, without aggressive chemicals or harsh action. What remains is a visibly cleaner metal surface, free from oil stains and residues. Because EcoTreat 402-10X is neutral, it cleans effectively while being safe on metal surfaces and suitable for regular maintenance cleaning. EcoTreat 402-10X. Powerful foam degreasing for grease-stained metal in cold rolling mill applications.